Hello viewer, in this video I will show you how to fix Gemini 3 Pro not available. Let's see how to fix Gemini 3 Pro not showing in your Gemini app. Step 1. Tap and hold on Gemini app. Click on I button. Scroll down and tap on Gemini storage. Now clear cache data from the lower corner. For iPhone user, please archive your Gemini app, then restore. Now step 2, open Google Play Store. Search Google app. Update your Google app because Google app connected with Gemini. After complete the update process, scroll down. From here, join Google Beta Program. If you join Google Beta Program, you will see the new feature before the public does. It helps you to get Gemini 3 Pro not available problem. Now open your Gemini app. Click on Gemini model changing option. Now find your Gemini 3 Pro model from your choose your model option. And remember that Gemini 3 Pro is primarily a premium offering, but there are a few ways to access it for free, especially for student and developer. But if you want to access Gemini 3 Pro within the Gemini app and other interaction, you must give premium through Gemini AI Pro subscription.